Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to our science class. I am your taking science class now. Today, this is the part of the diversity in living things and their classifications. Before reading the lesson, I must tell you like my channel and share my channel and subscribe my channel. Mohd Aun. And I am from and as you know, I am from Padar Agnan Technical High School. Now let us begin our lesson. Diversity and classification in animals. Different animals have developed different shapes to survive in the environment. There is a variety in the body structure of animals too. The amoeba the, that cannot be seen with our eyes. The huge elephant, the small snail, the fish that swims in water, a kite that flies high in the sky, butterflies that flit around flowers, a house lizard that crawls on a wall are all animals. Each has different characteristics. Animals have body parts like a head, a neck, a torso, a tail, and limbs. For movement, they have various organ systems which carry on various functions inside the body. In this respect, too, there is a lot of diversity in animals. Now, can you tell students uh, what are the differences in the body structure of animals like a snake, a lizard, a tiger, a fish, and eagle, a hen, a crab, a housefly, an earthworm, a crocodile, and a grasshopper. We see a variety in animals with respect with their food as well. Since animals depend on others for their food, they are found in places where food is available. Different animals have different methods of obtaining and eating food. This too leads to differences in their body structure. Now let us try this. Observe the animals in your surroundings. Make a list of their names. Complete the following table on the basis of the information obtained and discuss it in the class. Name of the animal. For example, uh, a lion. For example, lion. What is their food? How do they eat? Uh, the animal food. The lion food is non non-veg food is lion's food, and he eat by hunting. Where do they live? A lion lives in a cave. The special feature that you found. A lion is the king of the jungle. You will not see all animals in your surroundings. Why is it so? Which are the other animals that you know of but safe not seen? Collect information about them using the About table. Take the help of websites like www.earthlifenet.com, www.discovery.com, and etc. Open page number 24. Now let us try this. Take a drop of water from a puddle and place it on a glass slide. Observe it under a microscope. What do you see? When a drop of water from a puddle is seen under a microscope, innumerable microbes can be seen moving about in it. You will see the continuously moving amoeba. The paramogium is also a uncellular animal like the amoeba, a horse, a bear, a tortoise are multicellular animal. What is the chain of bones in the center of our back called animals with the vertebral column and those without it form and those without our one second animals with a vertebral column and those without it form two groups known as vertebrates and invertebrates respectively. Snakes, birds, fish, and kangaroos, as also humans, are vertebrate animals. Animals such as snails, cockroaches, earthworms do not have a vertebral column and therefore they are invertebrate animals. Second one is name some animals which lay eggs and other which give birth to their young ones. Now you have to make a list like giving you have to make a chart like here what I am making here. Suppose this is your science notebook. You will write here uh, uh, here I have wrote now name some animals which lay eggs. You will write this question names some animals which lay eggs and etc. Now here you will write laying eggs, giving birth. Here you will write buffalo, cow, goat, dog, cat, and now here you will write eagle, uh, eagle, and etc. Birds, okay, etc. You write and like okay, and make a straight line in the center of it. Okay. Now we have learned that producing another living thing like oneself is called reproduction. A hen lays eggs and hatches them. After a few days, the young chicks hatch out of the eggs. A cow gives birth to a calf. Before that, the calf grows within the cow's body. According to the mode of reproduction, animals are classified into two types, namely oviparous animals which lay eggs and viviparous animals which give birth to their young ones. Oviparous animals are which give eggs and which are the viviparous animals which give directly to birth. Like cow gives us directly to his kid directly. So it is called viviparous animal. And like hen gives us egg like duck. These animals, these bird gives us, and animals also gives us egg. So it is called oviparous animal. Third one is where are the animals, namely a horse, a bear, a tortoise, an alligator, a fish, a deer, a frog to be found. According to their habitat, animals are usually classified into and salamander, toad live in both places, namely land and water. Therefore, they are called amphibious animals. A kite, an eagle, a crow, a butterfly, a honeybee all fly in the air. Truly, they live in different places. These animals are said to have an aerial mode of life. Use your brain power. What are the different filtered used to classify animals? Now always remember this. Uh, in the in the living world, a lot of diversity is seen both in animals and plants. Every plant and animal is unique. We should all make efforts to conserve the diversity in the living thing. Okay, you must always remember what we have learned from this lesson. Plants are classified on the basis of their height and the shape of stems, period of life cycle, and habitat. Animals are classified on the basis of the cell structure, vertebral column, method of reproduction, and habitat. Now your exercise are come. I made the question answers video in chapter 3 diversity in living and sent it by you on YouTube. You can see that video. Okay, bye bye, tata, love you all. Now first, after watching the video and before watching the video, like and share my channel, subscribe my channel, Mohd Aun.